Hello everyone, it's Chef Marisa Cesare again. Today we're going to be making Insalata di Cesare, which is Caesar salad. This recipe will be in my cookbook, The Next Generation. Let's get started. We're going to make the croutons first. Italian parsley, Parmesan cheese, garlic clove of olive oil, oregano. Season my croutons, put all the ingredients in, toss them together really well. I lay them on the cookie sheet lined with parchment paper. I'm going to put them in the oven. Prepare the dressing for the Caesar salad. I have oil here, egg yolk, red vinegar, anchovy, lemon juice, Parmesan cheese, steak sauce, black pepper, Dijon mustard, garlic clove, capers, Tabasco. We're going to mix the salad. I have here pasta romaine. I'm going to begin by adding some croutons, Parmesan cheese. I'm going to put my dressing on it. I'm going to begin to toss it gently. Here's our final product, Caesar salad. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next dish. Bon appetit.